राइडर्स तो एक बड़ा इंश्योरेंस प्राप्त होगा. So let's see how this match goes. It's going to be the captain Shreyas Rao to bowl. All set. The umpires will soon give that final indicator. Thank you to both the teams for reporting on time. We are starting as per the schedule. Lights, camera, action, show time. Let's rock and roll. All set. Sachin the scorer and Mr. Vicky and Shaili Jha, the three scorers. And all readiness, all set. Collie wobbles, butterflies in the stomach, nervousness that is expected. Gaurav said the man on strike. Mr. Experience, Gaurav. Gaurav is the glue that binds the whole team together. Playing with soft hands. He's been promoted up the order, Amit. This is his big chance. Oh, ricocheting off his feet. Shreyas cannot stop that one. Captain cool, Shreyas. The big ticket player, Shreyas. Isn't he? Now that Amit is promoted, well fielded, bowling to his field, that's a dot ball, 2 consecutive dot balls. He was on the edge with those 2 dot balls, he scrapes through. The score at the end of the first over is a very tidy 4. मैंने पहले कहा था, लास्ट वीकेंड में कहा था कि जो टीम ऑर्थोडॉक्स क्रिकेट खेलेगी उस टीम के पास बेहतर मौका होगा. You got to pick up the singles. That team that picks up the most singles, आप ये कैलकुलेट कर लीजिएगा इस टूर्नामेंट के अंत में. जिस टीम ने सबसे ज्यादा सिंगल्स लिए है वो चैंपियन टीम बनेगी. यू कैन डू द अरिथमेटिक एट द एंड ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट. आई एम एब्सोल्युटली श्योर दैट द टीम दैट हैज स्कोर्ड द मोस्ट सिंगल्स विल बिकम द चैंपियन टीम. The man to bowl, Arya. He's been given the ball for the first time in this tournament. पहली बार गेंदबाजी करते हुए आर्या. नया वीकेंड है, नया मैच है, नई रणनीति के साथ उतरी है सिलेक्टिव. वो गौरव की रेंज में थी वो गेंद. प्रहार किया, शॉर्ट पिच डिलीवरी थी. Into the nets. The ball in play, 1 run taken. 6 for none. Amit has to play a good hand. When I say a good hand, he just has to be sensible in the company of somebody as big a player as Gaurav. You got to give him the lion's share of the strike. Very well played. That is into the fence. What a shot. Whenever he gets an opportunity to play the attacking shot, he's the one who will not miss out on those काइंड ऑफ लूज डिलीवरीज, लूज गेंदों को नहीं बख्शेंगे, ये उनका कैरेक्टर है। बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट, देखिए ये प्रॉपर cricketing shot on the rise, on drive. Arya is taking some beating here. In a catch-22 position, whether to keep that Lone Ranger in mid-on or at mid-off. Catch-22 position situation. The score at the end of the is a very classy 15 for none. 2 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 15 रन बिना कोई नुकसान के, एक अच्छी साझेदारी रंग लाती हुई, still a long way to go. बहुत ही ज्यादा क्रिकेट खेलना अभी भी बाकी है, लेकिन इस बात में कोई संदेह नहीं कि बल्लेबाजी करते हुए एक अच्छी स्थिति में 2 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद आमंत्रित की गई थी टीम क्लासी राइडर्स बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए। नो गेंद, महत्वपूर्ण 2 रन्स मिले, रन संख्या 17 रनों पर, बोनस टाइम, फ्री हिट। गौरव ने 2 गेंदों में 2 चौके लगाए हैं और अब ये बोनस हिट। फ्री हिट थी। बहुत ही सूझबूझ के साथ अपनी इनिंग्स को आगे बढ़ाते हुए। See, you have to be very mature in your approach on this kind of a big match. You got to come in with a game plan. Plan A, plan B. Good bit of work, good fielding. Well fielded. That is Arya in that mid-off position. You got to field out of your skins. नो गेंद आशीष जैन की तरफ से। बाईस रन्स बन चुके हैं, फ्री हिट। बहुत ही उम्दा शुरुआत, और जिस तरह से अपनी इनिंग्स को सजा रहे, जिस तरह से सवार रहे अपनी इनिंग्स को, गौरव काबिले तारीफ। It is not about what the champions win. The remarkable thing is how they win it. How you behave on the big stage in times of adversity is the big standout thing. At the moment, Gaurav is looking the showstopper. He's stealing the show at the moment. Still a long way to go. All wickets in hand. It's a rock-solid opening partnership. It's time for the game plan number B to come out for Team Selective 11. 3 ओवर के बाद 23 रन. The job is cut out for Team Selective 11. They have to play their best cricket. And nothing else can save the day for them. Only and only their best cricket. Still a long way to go. It's time to grab the initiative bag. Sahil. Well left. Wide run. बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंद. देखिए मैट पर गिरी वो गेंद. अनप्लेबल होती है तब. अच्छी गेंद साहिल की. गेंदबाजी को धार देनी है तो बेहतरीन फील्डिंग की बैसाखी भी देनी होगी. For that cutting edge, you got to field out of your skins. You got to play as if this is the last match of your career. Nicely done. As if their last match is that. Well driven. That is such a good call. That is such a good call. Is exhibiting his full range of shots. मैदान के चारों तरफ अपने रनों की रंगोली को सजाते हुए गौरव. Come at the hour, come at the man. He's delivering big time on the big stage. He's found his bearings. He's coming into his own, Gaurav. 34 no loss. What a start. That's a rocking start. And we'll have to wait and watch. They have gone up in unison. That's an appeal for a hit wicket. We'll have to wait and watch. That has been referred into the third umpire's box. The decision has come upstairs. That will be interesting viewing. That will be very, very interesting. He's out. Against the run of tide, he gets a hit wicket. That's a big blow, big fish in the net. The danger man gone. अब ये विकेट एक के चलते नई ऊर्जा का संचार होना चाहिए. एक नव चेतना जाग उठेगी. -5. वापसी के दरवाजे खुलते हुए. After having played a good hand, after providing his team a good start, Gaurav is back in the pavilion. The new man in Arya Mahajan. The score is 25 for 1. 25 रन एक विकेट के नुकसान पर. नए बल्लेबाज हितेश महाजन. A 4.2 overs, 26 for 1. Hitesh, the new man in on strike. Into the gap, off the mark straight away. जिस अच्छे काम को शुरू किया है गौरव ने, उस अच्छे काम को ठीक ठाक अंजाम देना होगा. They are playing orthodox cricket. बड़े shots खेलने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे. Just treating the bowling on the merit. They are trying to accumulate singles. As many as possible. Punching it away into that extra cover region for a single. अच्छी गेंद. 5 ओवर के बाद 30 रन एक विकेट के नुकसान पर. After 5 overs, 30 for 1. We have seen 30 being defended on this center court. We've seen 60 runs being made. So anything can happen. It's a very difficult format for the batsman, mind you. इतना आसान नहीं अपने innings को यहाँ पर सजाना. You've got to be all grit and determination. It's not easy to pick up the big runs. Welcome to Jayendra Gupta. अमित के लिए the script is take the singles, play the shit anchor role. Very well fielded and gone. -5. -5. Now this is debatable. This argument can go right till the next season, whether Ritesh was right or whether Amit was right. He'll not have the answer till the next season. The score with those -5, 25 for 2. 25 for 2 after making that subtraction. After the deduction, 25 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर. Welcome to Mr. Ashok Khedwal. Oh, -5 to the very first ball. This is... oh my word, aren't they making their way back into the pavilion? Making their way back in the match. -5 takes the score to 20 for 3. This is where Gaurav will be cursing himself. That good start initiative has been put on the back burner. The momentum is back with Selective 11. They are right back in the match. दरवाजे खुल चुके हैं वापसी के. राजा एक बहुत ही सीनियर प्लेयर है, बहुत ही उम्दा प्लेयर है. एक्सपीरियंस काफी है उनके पास. अमित का काफी सम्मानजनक प्रदर्शन अभी तक रहा है. नॉट बैड. छह ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद रन संख्या है 24 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर. आखिरी 12 गेंद आनी बाकी है. After that is the super over, and it's going to be Shreyas Raut, the captain, to bowl the super over. Super over का selection is up to the batting team, और वो सुपर ओवर का चयन करने के बाद भी फील्डिंग टीम अपने गेंदबाज को चेंज कर सकती है. उस लिहाज से अब श्रेयस गेंदबाजी करेंगे. स्ट्राइक पर है राजा. सुपर ओवर की शुरुआत. 6 ओवर के बाद 24. Raja is somebody who will not press the panic button. Oh, that is into the declared zone. 3 runs added. 3 important runs. 3 important runs. ये आउटफील्ड पे तो कभी मिसफील्ड करने का कोई सवाल ही नहीं आना चाहिए. There should not be a single misfield in 8 matches by a good fielder. एक भी मिसफील्ड नहीं होनी चाहिए. इतना अच्छा आउटफील्ड है. You will not get a better outfield than this. 32 for 3. Over number 7 underway. Very well bowled. That's a brute of a delivery. Peach of a delivery. The batsman beaten all ends up. चारों खाने चीत किया अमित को. A 34. पैंतीस रन, जबकि 7वें ओवर की एक गेंद आनी बाकी है. End of 7 overs, 36. This is already a fighting total, mind you. Not bad. Up the match template is that they're just looking to be somewhere in the region of 40. अच्छी गेंद, पूरा सम्मान दिया, बिल्कुल रक्षात्मक मुद्रा में खेला उस अच्छी गेंद को. साहिल लेफ्ट आर्म ओवर द विकेट, अपनी टीम का एक हरफन मौला खिलाड़ी है, युवा प्रतिभाशाली प्लेयर साहिल. आखिरी लम्हों में काफी टाइट क्रिकेट खेलती हुई सिलेक्टिव, लेकिन ये पूरी तरह से रणनीति है टीम क्लासी राइडर्स की कि बस एक 38-40 रन बना लीजिए. $39, the last ball coming up, 39 for 3. क्या बात है. Amit has almost carried his bat. He was promoted to open the batting. It's been a reasonably tidy performance, not bad. Oh, that is -5. इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 35 रन्स बनाने होंगे. 35 runs to win the match. They are 5-6 runs short than what they would have expected to be at. Those ये जो -5 हुए आखिरी गेंद पर, this could be the turning point. ये -5 एक बड़ी उम्मीद दे जाते हैं सिलेक्टिव 11 के लिए. There's a hell lot of a difference between 35 and 40, mind you. Hell lot of a difference. सोच तो काफ़ी अच्छी थी क्लासी राइडर्स की कि अगर हम 40 रन बना लेते हैं तो जीत सकते हैं मैच. अगर गौरव विकेट पे डटे रहते तो शायद 50 का लक्ष्य जहन में होता. गौरव के आउट होने के बाद दे रिविजिटेड द स्ट्रेटजी एंड दे थॉट दैट 40 वुड बी गुड इनफ. बट एट द मोमेंट विद दैट लास्ट बॉल रन आउट, टीम सिलेक्टिव 11 गेट्स अ चांस. प्रजापति बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेंशन में, हालांकि वो बताते नहीं है, बट इज शिवरिंग एट द मोमेंट. प्रजापति वो उनके पैर से जमीन नीचे खिसकती हुई. They are on the edge. It's a do or die situation for Team Selective 11. Our team Classy Riders will be looking to hatch a conspiracy here. Not less than a conspiracy. कोई रणनीति से काम नहीं चलेगा. अब एक बड़ा मास्टर स्ट्रोक दर्शाना होगा, मास्टर प्लान.
Hi, good morning. I'm Prashant Gala from Mumbai.
Hello, I'm Dr. Vishali Saraswat.
Hi, I'm Amit Saraswat.
Hi, this is Jalal Chandra.
मैं एक satisfied customer हूँ निखिल नायक जी का.
It's been a beautiful journey with Nikhil and his team.
NyQuil has been our financial advisor since 1990.
Before I had joined, sir, I had no wealth.
But yeah, I started making a lot of wealth after that.
The way Nike Wealth चीजों को मैनेज करती है एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी है.
Their intent is not to sell.
And I clearly told him हर महीने पैसा आएगा, गलती से भी मुझे जरूरत पड़े तो तोड़ के वापस मत देना.
And in the last 33 years, we've not just built our portfolio, but we have built a family relationship with the entire Nike Wealth team.
फैक्ट, फिगर और डाटा के बेसिस के ऊपर वो अपने क्लाइंट को गाइड करते हैं.
I am truly fan of them.
Today, third generation of Saraswat family has been taking advice from Nike Wealth, and we cannot really think that another 10 generations will go away anywhere else other than Nike Wealth.
Thank you so much, Nikhil Nayak and entire team for your services. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
If Gaurav would have stayed in the wicket, I'm sure that there would have been something in the region of 48-50 runs on the board for Classy Riders. But that's the way this game goes. किसी भी बल्लेबाज को आउट होने के लिए एक ही गेंद लगती है. Any big batsman, any champion batsman, only one ball to get him out. और जब वो -5 का जो नेगेटिव मार्किंग है उसके चलते और ज्यादा प्रेशर है. विनीत गेंदबाजी का बाहर संभाले हुए. Samir Patkar is here. All set, yes, play time. The key is not to give away any extras. Extras runs नहीं देने हैं. ये मूल मंत्र होना चाहिए as a bowling brigade. Not to give any extras. Amit Sood and Bhupinder. Oh, a stumping chance. Was he a little too late on that one? We'll have to wait and watch. That's been referred upstairs. It comes into the third umpire's box. What drama. अमित सूद के ऊपर काफी कुछ निर्भर है. अमित सूद इस टूर्नामेंट के दरमियान ठीक ठाक फॉर्म में नजर आए हैं. Team Selective 11 needs to embrace all the positivity, banish all the negativity. That is out. -5 on his way back to the pavilion. Bhupinder always knew it. Just look at his body language. He had already given up. He knew it at the back of the mind. In comes Shreyas, the big match player. अब ये दोनों ही बल्लेबाजों पर काफी हद तक इस मैच का नतीजा निर्भर है. -5 के साथ अब रन संख्या सीधे नेगेटिव में -4. यानी कि अब 39 और बनाने होंगे. टारगेट 35 है ना ये मित्रा. 35 जीतने के लिए है ना टारगेट. फाइन. So they need now 39 more after being in the negative. What a start. Shreyas into the attack. Shreyas will have to get all his experience into play. Amit on strike. Amit Sood is somebody who can provide the impetus to the innings. He can be the stroke player, and Shreyas can treat the bowling on merit, just stay around till the very end. The whole team has to now rotate around Shreyas. Well bowled, very well bowled, very smartly played. He knew that they did not have anybody close in on the offside. In spite of being in an awkward position, he puts that ball away into that mid-off area for a single. Amit Sood. Amit Sood has to be very business-like. He's got to treat this match as any other day in office. At the moment, there's nothing, no need to do any extraordinary. They just need to go by the book, stay at the wicket, keep taking those singles. EPL की lifeline is singles. There is no doubt about it. पहली ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद बिना कोई रन्स एक विकेट खोया है. 0 for 1. Exactly 35 more to win. 42 balls and 35 runs to win the match. In comes Advait. सभी की निगाह अद्वैत पर बनी हुई है. The young and promising. बहुत ही जल्द ये हुनर का पौधा क्रिकेट का वटवृक्ष बनेगा. A declared zone, 3 important runs, very, very important. Amit Sood driving that deep, that half volley into the deep mid-on area. जो भी की मिड ऑन या की मिड ऑफ पर खड़े जो 4 फील्डर्स, दे हैव टू बी इन अ वेरी क्राउचिंग पोजीशन. पूरा नीचे झुककर फील्डिंग करना है. यू गॉट टू बी लाइक अ वॉल. यू कैन नॉट लेट द बॉल पास बाय if it's in your range. 1 foot here or there, you got to stop it. बिल्कुल even outfield है. No bad bounce, never. As a fielder, you have to. Advait. Advait can move the ball both ways. He can spin the ball both ways. What a shot! मैंने पहले कहा कि आक्रामक खेलना सूद की फितरत है और अपना आक्रामक रंग पेश करते हुए. If the ball is there to be hit, you have to hit it away. Otherwise, you have no business to play the limited overs format. A loose ball has to be put away. No, never mind the match situation. Amit Sood is up and away. He's on a roll. Very smart running between the wickets. Literally stealing that second run away. That's a no ball. 3 runs added and also a free hit. Bonus time. And that too for Amit Sood. Classy riders cannot afford to relax. They aren't relaxing. They know that. The match on, the game on. At the moment, the match is in a state of equilibrium. Could go either ways. 2 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद तो बहुत ही सम्मानजनक 15 रन्स बन चुके हैं और ये पावर प्ले का इशारा भी हो चुका है. ये बहुत ही क्रूशियल ओवर है, यानी कि क्लासी राइडर्स का जो सर्वोत्तम गेंदबाज है वो गेंदबाजी करेगा. दिस इज नो रॉकेट साइंस. एनीबडी कैन प्रेडिक्ट इट कि सुपर ओवर करने के लिए टीम का सबसे एक्सपीरियंस्ड गेंदबाज होना चाहिए. विनीत अब गेंदबाजी करने के लिए बिल्कुल सज्ज. बहुत ही दिलचस्प मोड पर यह मैच हाथ थमा हुआ है. एपीएल का नशा सर चढ़कर बोलता हुआ बिल्कुल अपने सीमा चरण पर. This is easy meat for the set. Amit Sood, full toss deliveries. He will belt you away. He will smash you away. With that single, 17. With those 2 runs, 17. Super over. It's the super over, 5 to go. The man on strike, Shreyas. It's all about setting the right field. The leg spinner is clean bowled him. He gets his man. He gets his man with that leg spin delivery. Isn't he a happy man, and why not? He's absolutely ecstatic. Just look at the replay. He bowled that leg spin. And what was Shreyas doing? That was a half volley. That wasn't a wicket-taking delivery by any stretch of the imagination. -10, oh my word. -10, grabbing back the initiative, classy riders. Now the job is one more time cut out for the batting team. You got to hold on to that element of self-belief. किसी भी तरह से टीम सिलेक्टिव 11 के जहन में ये बात नहीं आनी चाहिए कि हम शायद इस लक्ष्य को नहीं तय कर पाएंगे. अगर वो शंका उत्पन्न होती है तो जीतने का कोई सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होगा. आत्मविश्वास के साथ आगे बढ़ना होगा, पॉजिटिविटी के साथ. विनीत के खाते में वो बहुत ही बड़ा विकेट दर्ज हुआ है. निकल पड़े दूसरे रन के लिए, बड़ी आसानी से दूसरा रन भी लिया, यानी कि 4 रन्स मिले. 4 महत्वपूर्ण रन्स मिले. रन संख्या जा पहुंचते 11 रनों पर, 11 पे 2. काफी क्रिकेट खेलना बाकी है. दो रनों के साथ अब 13 रनों पर रन संख्या इस इनिंग्स में. 2 गेंदानी बाकी इस ओवर में, सुपर ओवर में. टेस्ट ऑफ कैरेक्टर फॉर सिलेक्टिव 11. अग्नि परीक्षा से गुजरती हुई सिलेक्टिव 11 कयामत की घड़ी है सिलेक्टिव 11 के लिए. इट्स ऑल इन द माइंड नाउ, ऑल इन द माइंड. प्रसाद वेसावकर 3 ओवर के बाद 15 रन, यानी कि अब 30 गेंदों में इस मैच को जीतने के लिए और 20 रन्स बनाने हैं. केवल और 20 रन्स बनाने हैं. अभी भी दोनों ही टीम्स के लिए बराबरी का मौका है. गेंदबाजी के लिए उतरे हैं महाजन. तीन डिक्लेयर्ड जोन में अमित सूद अपनी टीम की नई पार लगाते हुए. क्या मंच चुना है अमित सूद ने एक बढ़िया इनिंग्स खेलने के लिए. स्मार्ट क्रिकेट, दिस इज स्मार्ट क्रिकेट, इंटेलिजेंट क्रिकेट. 19 for 2. That's a no ball. A free hit. Bonus time for Sood. He puts that away. Amit Sood, just look at him. He's up and away and he's absolutely well set. And काफी समय के बाद अब थोड़ी सी आवाज निकली है कैलाश प्रजापति में से. At last. 27 is the score at the moment. 27 for 2. Over number 4 underway. This is already a 24-carat gold innings from Amit Sood. You can weigh each and every run in gold. That's a huge contribution that he's making. He's looking smoking hot at the moment, Amit Sood. That's a wide ball, well left by Vesaukar. One ball to go in over number 4. A 30 for 2 after 4. 4 ओवर के बाद 30 रन 24 गेंदों में। अब आलम यह है कि केवल 5 रन बनाने हैं। What a fantastic counter attack. Somebody had to play the attacking knock, and Amit Sood provided that attacking knock. One batsman had to play that aggressive knock. This match is not over yet. We have seen funnier things happen at the EPL, so you never know. You just got to stay cool and composed. Gaurav Sharma, the new bowler. (32). 33 extra runs being gifted away. Vesavkar is looking to hold 4 to one end. He's holding fort. This was a message from Amit Sood. Try and rotate the strike. With that single, the scores are level. Level. 34. 2 balls to go. They've accomplished the target, but still we got to go. Got to hang on. Classy riders need wickets. Both Rupendra Soni and Prajapati are laughing. Classy riders were ready for everything. They made a game plan for everything except this counter attack from Amit Sood. They were not ready for that onslaught from Amit Sood. And that is where they have been caught like a rabbit in front of the searchlight. They've caught by surprise. The show stealer. The showstopper, definitely Amit Sood. मैंने वही कहा कि जैसे हम आगे बिजनेस एंड की तरफ बढ़ेंगे, जो बड़े प्लेयर्स हैं, चैंपियन प्लेयर्स हैं, वो एक बड़ी छाप छोड़ेंगे इस ईपीएल 2024 में. अभी भी रोमांच बरकरार है. गेंदबाजी करेंगे राजा. मिस्टर कंसिस्टेंट, मिस्टर रिलायबल, राजा. Classy riders need to give birth to a miracle here. केवल एक चमत्कार ही अब उन्हें बचा सकता है. He can turn the ball both ways. What a gem of an innings by Sood. Oh, he gets his man. Raja, as I've always been mentioning, that is one of the best fielders. What a catch. Very smart catch. -5. 33. Sahil. Sahil comes in. It's time for the youngster to turn round the corner now. It's time for Sahil to take his game from large to extra large. Oh, this could be danger. It's gone. -5. The match on, the game on. It's all about holding on to your nerves. And who is out is the big question. Who is out? And looks like Amit is leaving the crease. Goodness me, that is the big fish gone. Oh my word, that is unbelievable. Amit Sood is gone. He's already left. Amit Sood has already left. -5, so that comes to -28 now. 28 runs. 7 runs to win. Kailash Prajapati is skipping a few heartbeats. 28, 7 रनों की जरूरत है और बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए उतरे आर्या और Sahil, the two young guns. The two young guns, can they do the job? The pressure on, the game on, the match on. Do not go away. This could go right down to the wire. Oh, what a fight back. 28 it is. 7 more to win. End of 5 overs. Score after 6 overs, 29. After 6, यानी कि 12 गेंदों में इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 6 रन्स बनाने हैं. जो फॉर्मेट है, जो ग्राउंड डायनामिक्स है, इतना आसान भी नहीं होगा. The match is more close than what it looks like at the moment. That is the beauty of the format. वो X factor इस मैच में बना हुआ है, रोमांच बना हुआ है. Lots of drama, prime time drama. Is it Manoj Kesri who's been asked to bowl? Looks like it. Arya. Pressure cooker situation. 12 balls and only 7 to win. 12 में 7. Well done. छह रनों की जरूरत है 11 गेंदों में. 11 गेंदों में 6 रनों की जरूरत. अरे 35 सारा 28 ना अभी 5 चाहिए ना. कैसा बोल रहे तुम 4 28 बोला तुम. With that single, the score on to 32. Only 3 more to win now. (32). Sahil on strike. Oh, that would have been close. The call was the perfect one from Arya. They do not want to take a risk of negative marking. The perfect call. Do not want to be taking a risk. 33. 35 to win. Two more to win. टेंशन में है मनोज केसरी. एजीएम के वक्त भी इतने टेंशन में नहीं होते जितने टेंशन में आज है. 1 over to go and 2 runs to win. You do not want to be in Arya's and Sahil's shoes. Butterflies in the stomach, collie wobbles. Raja. The scores are level. Raja has been the architect of so many famous wins for whichever teams he's played over the years. Can he do the job again tonight here? Can he be the saving grace? Scores are level. He's taking a gamble now. Well done. If Sahil takes the team to the victory post, the boy will have become a man. Pressure. Pressure and pressure. That's a free hit. Both are looking now settled. No tension in the air. 3 to go. 30, 38 it is. So they are 3 runs ahead. They need a wicket here. They need a wicket. And Sahil has to hold fort. कश्म में है कि मैं डिफेंसिव खेलूं या अटैकिंग खेलूं. चार रनों का फर्क है. 4 रनों का. ये विकेट, ये गेंद काफी मायने रखती है. तीन रन. अभी nothing to worry. Nothing to worry. Kailash Prajapati can now breathe freely. Well done. The boys have done the job. Arya and Sahir, the boys have become men. Kailash Prajapati can now once again breathe a sigh of relief. Hard luck, Classy Riders. You have played some very good cricket. The fight that team Classy Riders exhibited till the very end was good to watch. 3 matches on the trot. इस EPL 2024 की कहानी सिलेक्टिव 11 के ये है. पहले 3 मैचेस हारे. When they were down on the mat, when they had their back up against the wall, they have won 3 matches on the trot. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. 3 out of 3 after being down on the mat for selective 11. They are back in the scheme of things. Just look at Sam. Samir Patkar, after that good start in the tournament, they are slightly on the